Making a Singapore style fried rice is not so much a culinary challenge, but a conceptual one. There's no such thing as an authentic Singapore style fried rice, so I have to interpret it myself. And the very first thing I wanted in my fried rice is for every Singaporean to be able to enjoy and relate to it. So right off the bat, no pork, no lard, no beef, no MSG. Not that there's anything wrong with MSG, but these dietary restrictions just roll off the tongue for Singaporeans. For my aromatics, I'm going with minced garlic, chopped spring onions and chopped chili paddies. Chili paddies are not too common in fried rice, but I think it suits our spice loving country. For my protein, I'm going with prawns and of course 5 beat eggs. Also here's some overnight white jasmine rice, the most common rice grain on our island. A little thing that I like to do is to oil my hands with some sesame oil and separate the grains before they hit the wok. Cooking it is extremely straightforward, as it should be. First, I'm going to color the prawns and then leave them aside for later. Then a good amount of oil in, I'm going to fry the garlic and chili paddy till fragrant. And then next goes the eggs. Like I said in my 3 levels of fried rice video, fried rice is a fragrance dish. So cook with your nose. You will know to move on to the next step when the fragrance hits. So once I'm satisfied with the egg fragrance, I'm going in with the rice and then the seasoning. I'm going to keep it simple with some salt, white pepper and light soya sauce. Cook until the rice grains start to dance on the wok surface, and then turn off the heat and fold in some spring onions. Then the fried rice is done, scoop it out, and then I'm going to serve the fried rice with some homemade sambal that I made in a previous video. If you would like to know how I made it, you can check out my MasterChef cooking video. I'm also going to include some crispy papadum. The idea here is that our people and cuisines are represented in the dish, not just for the sake of it, but in a way that makes sense. Our racial harmony is the main reason why we're able to enjoy good food from different cuisines all over the country. And just like the dish, our different races here aren't put together just for show, but in a cohesive and meaningful manner. So yeah, that's my take on the Singapore fried rice, and it's also all I have for you guys this time. Like the video if you liked it, disliked it if you disliked it, and subscribe if you want to see more food content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.